Hey there YouTube, today I'm going to take you through the process of rekeying your Weiser Smartkey door lock with a set of Weiser Smartkeys. So I bought this set from Lowe's, but I'm sure you can get it at any big box store. This set comes with 6 keys, 4 of the silver color and 2 in the gold color. And it comes with a rekeying tool, which you're going to need to do this. So the 4 silver keys all have an identical cut, but are different to the cut of the 2 gold keys. So there are 2 different key patterns that come in this key package. So anyways, let's get on with the process. So here I have key number 1. Key number 1 is the current working key, and I'm just gonna turn the deadbolt to show you that it is working. All right, I don't wanna leave the door open too wide because it's kind of cold outside. Okay, so I'm gonna take the key out, and once again, this is the working key, key number 1. I'm gonna put the key into the keyhole and turn it clockwise 90 degrees so that the key is parallel to the ground and the Smartkey tool hole is at the 12 o'clock position. Then I'm gonna take my Smartkey tool, put it into the hole all the way. You might wanna hold the door still while you do this, and then pull it out, all right? At this point in time, the key should be able to come out of the key cylinder with ease. Here's key number 2. That's the new key that I want to use. I'm gonna insert that into the keyhole and then turn it counterclockwise 90 degrees so that the key is back in the starting position and the Smartkey tool hole is to the left. So at this point in time, the process is actually complete. So you can turn your key back to the starting position and take it out so that you know it's working. Also turn your key 90 degrees again from the starting position and give the key a tug. The key should not be able to come out. That's how you know the rekeying process is finished. So on a side note, I used the Smartkey tool that came with my door lock, but one also comes with a key set. So as you've seen, the process is fast and easy. You can also rekey the lock as many times as you like, so long as you use compatible keys. So that completes the installation. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe and hit the like button.